Embarking on a meta-analysis journey begins with a solid foundation, your research question. It should be like a laser beam, focused and precise. Think about the population you're studying, the intervention you're examining, the comparison group, and the outcomes you're measuring. This is your PICO framework. Does a low-carb diet improve blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetics compared to a low-fat diet? That's an example of a research question that's ready for a meta-analysis. Next up, dive into the ocean of existing research. Your tools, databases like PubMed and the Cochrane Library. Your method, a systematic literature search using carefully chosen keywords and Boolean operators. Remember, the devil is in the details. Document every step of your search strategy meticulously. Now, it's time to sift through the studies. Apply your inclusion and exclusion criteria ruthlessly. Tools like Prisma will be your compass here, helping you navigate through the sea of abstracts and full texts. Keep only the studies that fit your criteria like a glove. With your chosen studies, begin the treasure hunt for data. Systematically extract information using a standardized form. You're looking for nuggets of gold like study design, sample sizes, and outcomes. Accuracy is your best friend in this step. Armed with your data, you're ready for the statistical showdown. Software like RevMan or R will be your sidekick as you calculate pooled effect sizes and confidence intervals. Visualize your findings with forest plots and sniff out publication bias with funnel plots. The numbers have spoken, but what's the story they're telling? Interpret your results in the grand scheme of things. How do they stack up against existing literature? What's the clinical takeaway? Don't forget to acknowledge the limitations and pave the way for future explorers. The final stretch, writing and publishing. Follow the Prisma guidelines like a map to buried treasure. Craft your paper with sections that tell the tale of your meta-analytic voyage. Then, send it off to a peer-reviewed journal or present it at a conference, sharing your findings with the world. And that, dear medical students, is how you conduct a meta-analysis. From defining your question to publishing your results, each step is a critical part of the journey. May this guide serve as your compass, and may your research contribute to the vast sea of knowledge in the medical field.